Alright guys, so today we've got the AKASO Brave 7LE and I'm going to show you how to turn on the Wi-Fi and connect it to the app. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. So I'm not outside, there's too much of a glare to try to do this outside. I tried in multiple places, it just wasn't working. So we're going to do it here in the house. So first thing you want to do is your power button on your Brave 7LE is on the side, so you hold that button down until we power on. And I've just got it on my little Joby tripod, just my hands off of it as much as possible. So I've done a tutorial and kind of showed you what everything on the screen was, but you just touch this screen where it tells you what you're recording in. Just touch that right there and you have your Wi-Fi option on the bottom. So once you turn that on, it'll tell you that Wi-Fi is open. Then you'll get your phone and you should already have the app AKASO Go. You can see right here, that's what it looks like. So download that app and then you will go to your settings and go to your Wi-Fi and it will pop up Brave 7LE. You'll hit connect. Now if you've never connected to it before, it's going to ask you for a password, and that password is actually on the screen of the Brave. Now if you can't see that because it might be blurry, it's just 1 through 9 and 0. So there you go. And now it's telling us that we're connected with no internet connection, which is perfectly fine because we don't need internet. So now you're going to go here and you're going to go to the AKASO app. Now AKASO is basically like a social media platform where you can post all your pictures and stuff, but you go down here to the bottom where it says device, click device, and then you can scroll through and all of your cameras are here, and you'll just say connect camera. And then once you have your camera, now it's seeing what your camera is seeing. So there's me. And so that's that. I'm just going to set that down here. Now from the app you can do everything that you need to do. You can change your video settings. I can hit record. I can change the photo. I can actually go to my pictures and videos that I have for playback, and it tells you how much time is left, what your battery is. It tells you you're actually at 50. This actually gives you a percentage, unlike the camera. This gives you a percentage of your battery life. You can go into the little cog and you can change all kind of stuff here. All the settings in your camera you can actually do from your phone. So if this was set up, say, on a tripod, then you can, and then it'll do this sometimes. It has been confirmed that I do have it turned on, live preview, and it disconnected on me because I went out of it. So it may have turned the Wi-Fi off. Turn the Wi-Fi back on, and there it goes. So we have our connection back, and we can go back to here, and we should be, yep. So now we're back in the live preview. So you can change over to photo mode, you can change over to video, all this kind of stuff, and you can actually take pictures and video from your phone. So if you had this setting up on a tripod over somewhere and you wanted to control it, you can. Now I don't know what the range is, but this is really a simple process to do and connect your phone to it. This is how I move my videos and pictures from my cameras to my phone to be able to use, like for YouTube videos and stuff like that. I go into my playback, and then when you're in here, then you can select, you hit this little button there, select, and then you hit download and it'll save it to your phone. So you can do that and get out of playback, but you can go in here and you can see all this fast motion, slow motion, time lapse, all that. So it's a really cool app. It's really nice to have. You can go in here, and if you wanted to, you can do discover, and you can see other people's posts. You can share your post on there as well. You can actually edit your videos when you go in and you save your pictures to your device and videos. You can actually go in here and edit. They have a whole edit section you just have to have an account, which is a free account. So there that is. Hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And I am actually, I forgot to mention, I am recording this video on my AKASO V50X, my newer camera, shooting this one at 2K at 30 frames per second. Had some playing around with it, and that's what I decided to go with, was the 2K. We're going to test it out, see how the video and the audio are. I don't know, I haven't really tested this camera out. But this is the V50X right here, and this is the Brave 7LE. Alright, so our Wi-Fi is off. We changed it all over while we were in the app, so we want it just normal, and then we want to change our resolution. We just come in here, we change our resolution to, I like shooting at 1080 and 30 frames per second. I just like that. I think it does a really good job. So yeah, the AKASO Brave 7LE right here. We've got microphone on, and we've got wind wind reduction turned on. So go check out the tutorial. I'll have a card at the end for the tutorial on the Brave 7LE. And when you're done, you just hold this button down and power her off. And there it is. So I'll have a link in the bottom for this little mini Joby tripod. I have broken mine, but it still works. Works really good for these little action cameras. That's mine broke. Works really good for these little action cameras. And let's see. So you just can play around with it and have it set up however you want to. Works really good for handheld. Now the Brave 7LE does have the front facing screen, so this works really well. This tripod works really well for like selfie mode, so you can do that. And but yeah, I'll have a link in the description for the Joby for the Brave 7LE. I have one for the V50X, and I just picked up a pack, well, a couple weeks ago, I picked up a pack of micro SD cards. I'll have them linked in the bottom below. They are a really good price for multiple, I think it was 5 came in the pack. So check them out, because none of these action cameras are going to come with a micro SD. So you're going to need that. So there you go. Hope you found this video helpful. Again, hit subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors. We're going to be there next time, and God bless.